We have updated the content on our web store so that each product category prominently features helpful information about the products within. The tabs on each of these pages will provide different information, such as an overview of the category's contents, example applications, and even important factors to consider when choosing the right product for you. To see how this content is laid out, let's drop down the Products menu on the top left of the website. Now, click on AC drives. The content tabs are located at the top of the page above the subcategories. We are currently on the Shop Now tab, and we have 4 other tabs worth of content. In this category, you will find the following tabs: Overview, Applications, Selecting, and Manufacturer. The available tabs may change depending on the category. Overview briefly describes what products are available. Applications will explain the use of the products and where they are used. Selecting offers important information on how to choose a product. And the Manufacturers tab introduces you to the companies behind each product. Return to the Shop Now tab and then click on FMX TD400 series thumbnail. This category level is more specific and offers more detailed information about the product. For the TD400, we can see a detailed overview of TD400 specific information. We also have a Connections tab that includes information such as available terminals, network connectivity, and programming software. The available tabs will change from product to product, but virtually every product that includes knowledge base entries will also include a knowledge base tab. Clicking on this tab will open the knowledge base page for that product. Support for our products is a key aspect of our strategy to offer the best value possible. Content tabs on the FactoryMation web store are one more step towards maintaining that product support. Browse these tabs in each product category to find the information you need to make an informed decision on your purchase. Learn more about your favorite products now at FactoryMation.com. FactoryMation is committed to providing a competitive value through a wide selection of in-stock products, industry-leading prices, and knowledgeable support staff. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for informative videos like this one, and follow us on your favorite social media platforms at the links in the description.